Let's talk about the TOOLTOP ET13S, a device that merges a capable thermal camera with a full-featured digital multimeter. Its core purpose is to be a powerful diagnostic tool for technicians, electricians, HVAC pros, and serious DIYers who need to see heat and measure electrical values. The standout feature is undoubtedly its high-resolution thermal imaging. With a 192 by 192 pixel sensor and a 20 Hz refresh rate, it provides clear, fluid thermal images. You're not looking at vague blobs. You can identify specific components on a circuit board or pinpoint the exact section of a duct with a temperature anomaly. This clarity is enhanced by multiple color palettes, 5 in total, letting you switch between iron bow, rainbow, and others to maximize contrast for the scene you're inspecting. Operation is streamlined by a 2.8-inch resistive touchscreen. While you do need to use a fingernail or stylus, it makes navigating menus and adjusting settings much faster than button-only alternatives. Beyond seeing heat, the built-in multimeter is robust, offering 999 counts for accurate voltage, duty cycle, diode, and resistance tests. A game changer here is the multimeter data chart recording function. Instead of just a number, it graphs measurements over time, perfect for catching intermittent faults. For reporting, the data transmission and PC software is crucial. You can transfer all your thermal images and data charts to a computer for deeper analysis and professional reports. In real-world use, this is a time saver. Imagine checking an overloaded breaker panel. The thermal camera instantly shows you the hottest connection, and with a tap, you switch to the multimeter to measure the exact voltage on that circuit, logging it all directly on the device. For pros and cons, the pros are excellent image clarity for the category, the unique chart recording multimeter, and great PC software integration. The main con is the resistive touchscreen, which feels a bit dated compared to capacitive screens, requiring a firmer press. Compared to a standard thermal camera, the ET13S adds serious electrical measurement chops. Compared to a standard multimeter, it adds a whole new visual dimension. A practical tip: always start in the auto temperature scale mode, then manually adjust the span to highlight smaller temperature differences for the clearest diagnostic image. In closing, the TOOLTOP ET13S is a compelling 2-in-1 tool. It won't replace a $10,000 FLIR, but for its price point, it delivers remarkable thermal clarity paired with a very smart multimeter, making it a fantastic value for advanced troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.